children, dogs, wives, you might have one or all of those. And what you'll find in life is at some point that there'll be a clash of wills and someone's got to give. Today, the grapevine is expressing its will, and we're going to dominate that will. And though they don't know it yet, it's for my best. Just show my legs a minute. Back up. Sometimes you have to skip leg day. Many leg days are skipped because of dedication to the vine. No off days. Follow me, I'll tell you what I'm talking about. She's left bamboo on the floor this time. Clash of wills. Okay. You've heard it said in life, 2 steps forwards, 1 step back. In the grape game, it's 1 step forward, 2 steps back. All right? Come here. Tell you what I'm talking about. See this? Zoom in on that. That is a bunch of grapes. But you see how it's on a shoot? See the shoot here? 1 bunch of grapes, fine. Sometimes you're going to find a problem. 1 bunch of grapes, fine. Sometimes you're going to find a problem. No bunch of grapes. 1 bunch of grapes, fine. Sometimes though you're going to find a problem. 1 bunch of grapes, that's fine. To be honest, before I started recording I thought we'd have... Oh, look. See this? 2 bunches of grapes, 1 shoot. This is the vine expressing its will. It's admirable, but we've got to dominate and we've got to conquer. For any of my Jewish fans out there, think about this as circumcising the vine. So it's ceremonially improved, like yourselves. You cannot have 2 grapes on the 1 shoot. Someone's got to give. You have to go 2 steps backwards to go 1 step forward. See this one here? You've got to pick the one that looks the best. Which one looks the best?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
The one on the bottom.
That one looks the best?
Yeah.
Alright. Hang on. Eesh. What's that? A wasp? The wasp? Everybody out! Leg it! 2 steps backwards.
Literally.
Is it on my back? Alright, we're going back in. Okay? So you pick the weaker looking... You pick the weaker looking one, which is the top one.
Yeah.
Abundance is a burden. Abundance. Abundance is abundance. Goodbye. All the juice, energy, going in there now. We'll save that, because I'll show you something you can do with that. Ready? 2, gone. Go. Abundance is abundance. Gone. The vine's got ambition, I respect it, but it's unrealistic. Gone. Spider. Classic. Stripey. 2 steps backwards, 1 step forward. That's the grape game, that's life. And I'll now show you what you can actually do with these little grapes.
Is that going to be wild?
Okay. See the juice? See the juice? Full of nutrients.
No.
First taste of the season.
No. Give you a pound.
Eh?
No.
The clash of wills.
No.